Hey everyone, it's Paul here, and in this high-ticket affiliate marketing tutorial video, I will show you how complete beginners make anywhere from $300, $600, all the way up to $900 per day with affiliate marketing. So before we begin, for those of you who are brand new to this channel, my name is Paulo Beringel, and I teach people about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and paid advertising. So if you want to get this kind of videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So before I show you the steps, because it's really straightforward and the steps are super easy, let me go ahead and show you some of the results from some of the members who are already inside the community. And you can see some of the posts right here. So I'll show you some of the testimonials from some of the students. So you can see that the campaign that you're about to copy is already producing the results. So you can see this one. 15 hours ago, Melissa posted that she made $600 in one day. One sale, $600. And she put it here. She said she's already at $13,398 for the month, which is pretty awesome. So if your goal is to make like $10,000 a month, it's achievable because I'm going to show you how you can get this $300 to $900 a day. And then we have this member, Wendy. You can see she finished the day with $2,450 US dollars. So $2,450 in one day. And then we have this member, Mary, okay, and she made $300 in one day. And then we have this member, Allison. She posted this testimonial 2 days ago, and she said, $17,800 since the week, so basically in 1 week, okay. So just a disclaimer, the results are not typical, and the results will be it will all be different, okay. So some people are making like $300 in a day, some people are making like $900, some people are making up to $2,000 in a day. And then we have this other member, Shirley. You can see achievement unlocked, $10,400 in 23 days. And then we have this member, Tim, okay, 14 days, and has been over $1,000 a day, so pretty awesome. So what I'll do is I will show you how you can set up the campaign, because I know you're getting excited. I'll show you exactly how you can get the exact campaign that these other members are using so you can have your own affiliate marketing campaign. So the link will be in the description or in the comment section. I will put all the links in the comment section so you can check this out. And this is the exact page right here. So this is where you will start. So all you need to do when you go to this page, it says, here's your chance to earn instant $900 payments direct to your bank account using 100% free traffic plus the automated system. So the traffic that we are using is 100% free as well. So which is exactly what you will learn inside the system, inside the program. So what you do is you put your email address here in this box, and then you click on yes, show me how. And then it will take you to the next page. Okay, so it says watch the video and use the buttons below to set up your system that makes $900 a day. So what you do is you watch this video. I have this tutorial video on exactly what you need to do. But basically what you do, you can see it here, 3 simple steps. Okay, so actually 2 simple steps. The third step is you just need to message me on Facebook. So step number 1 is to click here to join Legacy Builders, which is the program that we are promoting. So what you do here is you click this button, and then it will open up to this page. Okay, so this is the program that we are promoting. And if you want to be qualified to make the $300, $600, and $900 whenever people purchase, then you need to subscribe to the Legacy Builders program, which is a one-time payment of $900. So basically what will happen, this is the exact page right here, so you can check it out. Okay, so you just follow the steps, and this is the exact page. And on this page, you will get all the information, all the program details, okay, all the bonuses that you will get. And this is the program. The full program is a one-time payment of $900 US. If you don't have the full $900, you can start with the $100, the $300, or the $600. But my recommendation is that you get started with the $900 US, because if you get started with the highest program, the $900 US, you automatically qualify to earn the commission of anywhere from $100, $300, $600, all the way up to $900. And it's highly recommended because most people will purchase the $900 US program as well. Okay, so what you do is really straightforward. Once you have decided that this program is for you, what you do is you click this button that says yes, get access to Legacy Builders program now. Once you click that, it will open up to the order page. So this is the order page. It will show you that it's the $900 Legacy Builder program. And then all you need to do in here is you complete the form. So you put your details here. You can pay using your Apple Pay, using your PayPal as well. You can do that. You agree to the terms, and then you click here to pay now. Now there are payment methods that are available as well, other payment methods that are available. You can click this button and it will open up to Wise, which is another payment method that I have in my system. So you can pay this $900 US using Wise, or you can use your credit card. So you click on card and it will give you this prompt. Okay, so there you go. You can complete your payment details here. Or if you want to use bank transfer, you can do that as well. So you can click on bank transfer and then you simply transfer the money to this bank account details. Okay, so you have the routing number, account number, the SWIFT, BIC, everything's in there. Or the other option is you can click this button if you want to use Stripe. When you click that button, it will open up to Stripe. So again, Legacy Builders program, $900 US. Complete this form and you can complete the payment using your credit card or debit card. Now what will happen is once you complete the payment of this $900 US, the next page will take you to the payment of the $29. Okay, $29 one-time payment. And the reason why you need to pay this $29 is because that will cover the payment for the done-for-you pre-built website. You can see it here. One-time pre-built website for only $29 US. So basically, they will give you a copy of the same website that you will use, okay, the same system that you will use for only a one-time payment of $29 US. Okay, so once you complete the payment, what will happen is you go through the program, you go through the training videos, and then essentially what will happen is that you will get a copy of this exact page. So this is what the page would look like. This is exactly what you paid for that $900 US to be qualified for the products inside the Legacy Builders program. Plus, this is the copy of the website that you purchased, which is the $29 US. So basically, you get a copy of this page. So now what will happen is you need to promote this page. Okay, so when people put their email address here, they click on yes, get my blueprint now. People will now go to this page, and this is the creator of the system. Her name is Michelle. So now people will watch the video of Michelle. You don't need to speak to anyone. You don't need to explain things to anyone, because this video will do the selling and telling. And then whenever people click on this button, I'm ready to purchase, then what will happen is they will now go to this page, which is your affiliate link, this page right here. So whenever people purchase, they click on Get Legacy Builders Program. They go to the order form, because this is now your payment method. Okay, so if you want to accept your payments, the $900 US using PayPal or Wise or credit card via Stripe, then that commission will go straight to your bank account, which is pretty awesome. So now the question is, how do you actually promote this page? In the program, inside the Legacy Builders program, there's a training video on how to promote this page using Instagram free traffic or TikTok free traffic, if that's what you want to do, if you want to use free traffic. Now, my solution, my suggestion to my students is, if you want to get started and if you want me to help you promote your link, what you can do, my recommendation is go to this website. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency. Again, all the links will be in the comment section. So when you go to this website, you can select the country that you are located. Okay, so United States, for example, and it will convert the prices automatically in US dollars. So let's say, for example, that you want to purchase this 50 buyers traffic campaign. Okay, so it's a one-time payment of $200 US, and you get 50 buyers traffic going to your affiliate link. So all you need to do is purchase any of these traffic packages. You can start with the 50 buyers traffic campaign. If you want to be more aggressive, you can go for the 100, the 200, or the 1000 buyers, depending on how much money do you want to make. So the smallest package is 50. So let's say once you purchase the 50 buyers traffic campaign, which is, if we go back here, right, step number 2 is click here to get traffic from the traffic agency, which is basically this page. And then after you purchase, step number 3 is to click here to message me on Facebook. So the reason why I need you to message me on Facebook, this is my Facebook page right here. The reason why I need you to message me on Facebook is, once you purchase the traffic package, I need you to message me on Facebook, or I will personally email you, and I need you to give me the link to this page. I need you to give me your affiliate link, your lead capture page link, because I will promote this page. Okay, I already have the existing campaigns on Facebook, Google, and YouTube. So once you purchase the traffic package, all you need to do is give me your affiliate link, and then I will redirect the traffic going to your lead capture page. So essentially what will happen is, let's say, for example, you purchase that 50 buyers traffic campaign. So 50 people will go to your page. So people will go to this page. They also want to learn how to make money online. They submit their email, yes, get my blueprint. They go to this page, they watch the video from Michelle, they see the testimonials, they get excited. They also want to make money online. They click this button, and then they go to this page. They click on yes, access Legacy Builders program now. They go to the order form. Whenever they purchase, okay, whenever they make that purchase, that $900 Legacy Builder program, that's how you can get that instant $900 commission. And that's exactly how these other members, exactly as I showed you, how these other members make anywhere from $300, $600, all the way up to $900 in a single day. And today you have the opportunity to copy and paste that exact campaign. So I hope that you like this video, and I hope that I was able to give you some information about high ticket affiliate marketing. So if you like this video, make sure that you give this a like or a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell. You can get notified whenever I post a new video. Otherwise, all the links will be in the comment section, so you can go to this page, then you can check out Legacy Builders program, and then you can get the traffic from the traffic agency, and then message me on Facebook so you can give me your link. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing your testimonial, and I look forward to seeing your results when you start getting this $900 commission with the Legacy Builders program. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Again, all the links will be in the comment section, so you can check out the Legacy Builders program. I wish you all the best. Again, thanks for watching, and God bless.